Hello, my crafty friends. It's Debbie, and today we're creating this whimsical Dollar Tree stackable egg topiary. It's simple, inexpensive, and full of creative potential for you. Now you can get this stacked egg at Dollar Tree for only $5. It comes in 3 separate pieces, which makes it perfect for adding pattern, contrast, and a little designer flair. It all depends on what your style is. I wanted it to be whimsical, and I love black and white. If you know me, you know I love my stripes, my checks, my harlequin patterns. It's just so much fun. So before painting, I actually primed this because plastic can be very slippery and the paint will come right off. You know, if you touch it, it'll just flake off. So you've got to prime it first. I'm outlining the design using a black Sharpie. So this helps me map out what pattern that I want to do. And it keeps my patterns clean and intentional. And you'll see as we go along how that black Sharpie line will actually help me stay straight and clean. Now you don't want to rush the step because this is where that whole topiary feel really takes shape. I use that black Sharpie for the base, but I'm also going to be using DecoArt Lamp Black acrylic paint, and I'll be painting it in that curved pattern, so you will see that beautiful movement. I also use Zen brushes number 6 and 8 if you have those, and if you don't, I will drop a link below because I have a link for you that will give you a little bit better pricing structure because the Zen brushes can be quite pricey. I can get you a whole set of 10 brushes for the price of one Zen. It's much more economical. So while you see me painting here, I always make sure I go all the way up to the tippity top because when you click the pattern pieces together, all the plastic pieces, you're going to find that if you don't paint it all the way to the top, you're going to have spaces. So make sure you paint it all the way to the top. When I start painting, you'll notice that I offload towards the middle and then I will slide the brush along the edge just to give it that straight edge. If there's too much paint on your brush when you're doing the actual edge, you're going to get like a smush outside the lines. And smush is a word, it means messy. So I just continue to add that paint all the way up the edge and down the edge so that I have a nice pattern. You'll see it start to take shape. I turn it around to get the other edge. I like painting in one direction. If you're really good at painting in both directions, go right ahead, but I have to turn it around and now go down the other side. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. This is a good time, maybe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post new tutorials, and comment below with any questions that you have for me because I do go back and answer them. So I just continue to add the paint all the way up the edge, following the curve, making that pattern. You won't really see the pattern come alive until you have a few stripes done. I love the curve on the large egg. It's such a large portion that if you tried to do all of the individual harlequins at this point, you'll be painting for quite a while. So if you want to get this done for Easter, get going now and it'll happen. Just the stripes are much easier to do. It's a large curved pattern and it's just much easier. And let me know in the comments if you will be trying this at home, or maybe you can send some photos that you've done once you start painting. And just like that, the base is finished. The center section got a classic harlequin pattern, and that's where the topiary really started to feel custom. Now, this top section of the egg, I am going to take a little time to show you. I wanted to do a different design in here. So using my black Sharpie, I made small dots because that guided me as to where I would put those patterns. And you can see how cool it came out, fully painted and complete. I added soft pink and green florals for a fresh pop of color. You can always change them out and add other colors for Christmas, like greens and reds. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.